Welcome to a world of creativity, calmness, and X-Mex magic. Today we are making beautiful, affordable, and eco-friendly X-Mex craft using recycled materials, Pinecone, and sparkling jewels and wooden pieces, recycled things. These crafts are more than decoration; they are form of mindful art, helping the slow down, relax, and reconnect with the simple joys of life. Take a deep breath, grab your jute rope, some old ornaments, some wooden piece, some crafting things, maybe a few pine cones, and let's begin the peaceful crafting journey together. In a busy world, moments of stillness are rare. Crafting brings us back to that stillness as you tie each knot of jute of gently place. Each levels notice your breathing, the texture of the rope, the sparkling of the ornaments, the natural scent of pine. These small details bring presence. Mindful crafting helps calm your thoughts and nature creativity, reminding us that joy often lies in simple handmade things. Gathering recycled materials, one of the most beautiful part of this project is using what you already have. Old jewelry pieces, glass jars, pine cones from your yard, or bits of ribbons saved from last year's. Everything can find new life. Recycling and reusing materials isn't just good for the planet, it's good for your soul. It teaches gratitude and creativity, turning waste into wonder. So collect your materials, pine cones for the natural rustic base, old jewels for a hint of sparkle, jute rope or twine for structure, a little glue, some spirit, some paint, and your imagination. Now let's begin crafting. Take your pine cones. Can you paint their edges white or gold to mimic snow? Add a touch of glitter or a jewel in the center for a magical shine. Wrap a small piece of jute rope around a mason jar or a wooden board. Then attach your pine cone and ornaments. As you craft, feel each movement, the softness of the rope, the coolness of the jewel, the scent of pine. Let your hands move slowly with purpose and care. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about presence. Each handmade piece holds your energy and love, and that's what makes it truly beautiful. Once your crafts are ready, display them mindfully. Place them where you can see them daily. Maybe near a window, on your wall, or as a stable centerpiece. Each time you look at them, let them remind you of peace, patience, and creativity. You have just turned ordinary recycled materials into extraordinary beauty, a symbol of mindful living and sustainability. This kind of decorating isn't just for the eyes, it nourishes your spirit. Healthy living and mindful moments. Crafting like meditation brings a sense of calm and joy. It lowers stress, enhances focus, and supports emotional well being. This season, let your creativity time replace screen time. Turn on soft music, sip warm tea, and craft with intentions. Healthy living isn't just about food or fitness, it's about your mind, heart, and environment. And when your home glow the handmade recycled Christmas decor, it radiates that mindful, healthy energy. Take a moment to look around your creation. Your space is now filled with beauty. This makes choose mindfulness, creativity, and kindness for yourself, for others, and for the planet. Take a moment to look around your creation. Your space is now filled with beauty, warmth, and meaning. This makes choose mindfulness, creativity, and kindness for yourself, for others, and for the planet. If you enjoyed this mindful crafting journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more peaceful DIY inspiration. Wishing you a calm, creative, and healthy Xmas season. crafting like meditation brings a sense of calm and joy. It lowers stress, enhances focus, and support emotional well-being. This season lets your creative time replace screen time. Turn on soft music, sip warm tea, and craft with intentions. Healthy living isn't just about food or fitness, it's about your mind, heart, and environment.